This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Traveler A32 is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, TV, oven, slide-out, refrigerator, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front living area, outdoor entertainment. This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Traveler A32 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.